Hi guys, I'm here and today's airdrop is all about POS. This is POS App Farm, so this is also suggested or recommended by one of the founders of Dogs. So if you're familiar with Dogecoin, or if you have airdrop, if you've participated with the Dogs airdrop before or months ago, guys, so yan, I'm sure you will also love this one. This is gonna be a Telegram mini bot. So right now in their Twitter account, they have 690,000 followers. So ang dami na guys sumali sa POS network. Actually trending din siya, nakita ko lang siya sa mga groups natin sa Facebook and yung iba naman sa Twitter. So marami na rin, pero hindi pa naman guys millions yung user kasi kako-launch lang nitong project na to. So POS, ayan, every click in Telegram matters. Turn your footprints into rewards with POS, guys. But in their, yan, ito yung Telegram bot nila. So they have 183,000 monthly users. Kaya kunti pa lang guys ang nakasali. If you're watching this video right now, make sure to participate this airdrop ASAP. Ayan guys. Sa POS naman guys, just yung sa Dogs kasi diba ang previous mga nag-trending na Telegram mini bot, yung mga click, tap to earn like that, like Notcoin and Dogs and other tap to earn na airdrops. This one naman is you're gonna earn points by your Telegram age, kung gaano nakatagal yung Telegram account ninyo. And then, syempre, kung meron kayong holdings ng Dogs or Notcoin, you will earn additional points dito guys. Kaya, pwede kayong sumali at makakaipon kayo ng maraming points depende kung gaano karami yung holdings ninyo sa Dogecoin and then Notcoin na projects. Dito guys, mabilis lang naman actually. Pagka-click nyo lang ng link sa Telegram, you will be directly here dito sa mini bot nila. And then, yan, nakikita nyo sa akin, I have 6,916 na points right now. But that's not only that guys, there is another way so that we can earn more points. Dito sa earn guys, yan, makikita natin dito yung ibang task na pwede natin gawin so that we can earn additional points. So madali lang naman, these are just few of the tasks. So follow lang sa channel, click nyo lang yan guys, and then follow sa Twitter, yan, click nyo lang yan, and then connect wallet. So sa wallet naman, if you have Telegram wallet, mabilis lang siyang makonect kasi nasa Telegram na tayo. But if you don't have a wallet yet, you can also create a wallet sa Telegram account ninyo. So ito guys yung Telegram wallet to. Telegram, makikita nyo dito guys, Telegram wallet. So pwede kayong mag-create dyan. Yan, madali lang mag-create actually. So now let's go back to nasa na yan? Let's go back to the mini bot. Ito. And then after you join or do the task, syempre kailangan nyo pa rin i-claim yung additional na points dyan. Yan, ganito pa lang naman yung task guys, napakakunti pa lang. Pero you can also invite your friends and then you'll get 10% of their points or total points. Yan. So, click nyo lang yung invite para makuha nyo yung link. Yan, copy lang yung referral link, and then you can send that link or your link sa mga friends ninyo. So, yan. Mas mabilis lang to guys at napakadali lang niya actually. Ito lang, this is just a short video about this POS kasi malay natin matutulad siya kay Dogs at Notcoin na ang daming kumita ng libreng pera, diba? So, why not try this one as well? But if you guys want more crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorials, you can also subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye-bye!